Welcome back, guys. In this lesson, we are going to update the interactability of the purchase button depending on the amount of coins the player has. Okay, so let's go and do that. We are going to open the shop manager. All right, double click it. And first, I think that we want to change this text by code, like I would love to have a field here where I can change the prices of the skins. Okay, let's try and do that. So we can add a new header for that. So let's call it pricing. Okay, like so. And we are going to create a new serialized field. It's going to be an integer. And let's call it skin price. We are also going to need a text. So private text, price text maybe, like so. Okay, this is going to be the price text that we have right here. So let's grab them. Let's take this price text, drop it here. And I think that the skin will be, let's say, maybe $1 just for testing purposes. So let's hit play. No. Okay, so now let's configure this price text. We can actually configure that in the awake method. So price text.text equals skin price dot toString. Oh, toString, like so. Okay, let's test it. Okay, let's hit play. Okay, perfect. 1 coin per skin. That's really cheap. Okay, now we are gonna update the interactability of this button because now it shouldn't be interactable. We have 0 coins. Okay, so first off, we will need a reference to that purchase button. So let's add it in the elements, under the elements header, for instance, private button, purchase button. Okay, cool. So let's make a function for that. Maybe after the purchase skin method. Okay, so private void update purchase button interactability. What? That's too long. Update purchase button. I think it's better. Okay, in this method we are gonna check if the data manager.instance.get coins. Oh, we don't have a method for getting the amount of coins the player has. Let's hold control, click the data manager, and we are going to add a method. So let's rearrange this a bit. Okay, like so. Let's create a public method that will return an integer, and let's call it getCoins. In this method, we are simply going to return the amount of coins the player has. Okay, cool. This will allow us to compare the amount of coins with the price of the skin, and if the amount of coins is less than the price, skin price, sorry, then the purchase button shouldn't be interactable. Otherwise, it should be interactable because it means that we have enough coins to purchase. Okay, cool. So we can call this method whenever we open the shop, and I think that we are going to control that from the UI manager. So let's make it public first. And we also want to update that whenever we purchase a skin. Okay, so let's update the purchase button right here. Okay, after purchasing a skin, by the way, we need to remove the price of the skin from the coins that the player has. So let's do that in the data manager. Let's call the data manager that instance dot maybe. So we have a method for adding coins, but let's add one for remove coins or maybe use coins. Okay, and we are going to use the skin price amount of coins. So let's jump to the data manager. Let's create a method. So public void use coins amount. It's going to have almost the same logic that the add coins method has. So it's going to be something like that. Let's copy it, paste it here. So coins minus equals amount. And then we want to update the texts and save. Perfect. Okay, cool. So we can also call this method maybe at start just to test it. So So at start, we want to update the purchase button. And yeah, we should be good. Yeah, let's go back to Unity. Okay, let's add the purchase button right here. Let's hit play. And it's disabled because we don't have enough coins. Maybe we can change the disabled color just to have a better view. So maybe it should be something like that. What do you think? Yeah, I think it's okay. So let's copy this color, quit the play mode and paste it back, because when you are playing, some of the data in Unity are not saved. Okay, so just as a quick test, let's open the data manager and we are going to create a quick method, or maybe at start. At start, we are going to add some coins. So maybe let's add 5 coins to the player. Okay, let's hit play. Okay, so now we have 5 coins, but you can see that the button is still not interactable, and that's not what we want here. Okay, so in the next lesson, let's see how we can open the shop from the menu and have a better control over our interactability of that purchase button. Okay, because when we open the shop, we want to update this purchase button as we said previously. Let's do that.